stuff.
Targeted.
We have some fancy items. Up front, come on up front, now we have room. Nice, good. Are you good now?
Me?
Never good. Plenty of seats, okay, we are starting to fill in, that's good. Make sure you've got some empty seats, and people are looking, we need an ushering now. Usher, Rick, you're ushering? Good. Come on up front, because the back's gonna fill, we have a lot of.
Anybody
That jacket was here, no, that was here when we came.
Okay, I think we're about ready. We've got some cans of WD-40 to spray on the wallets, along with some crowbars for you guys, and have a little trouble with that. Who's collecting money?
I will.
Who's in charge of the finance part? It's Paul. Well, a Paul, not the Paul. Okay. Okay, we'll start with item number 1, interesting right after the millimeter toss. This is a collection of, it looks like, 5 gas Shakti diodes rated to over 800 gigahertz. Do we have any bids for 5 diodes for 8, well, it's 0.8 terahertz?
Part number.
20.
Part number.
Part number. HSCH 9401. Gallium arsenide Shakti diode. A discrete Shakti barrier diode fabricated with Shakti barrier integrated diode process. We have a bid of $20. 50. Any others?
75.
Ooh.
100.
100.
How many are in there?
5. 120.
Who am I bidding against?
That guy.
Privileged information. So you get him?
Yeah?
Let him have it.